Okay, so I've got this set up with two arbor plates and a bearing separator. I did this because we've got the reverse idler gear shaft protruding from the back end here. So when I press down on the gear train, I want to make sure that that does not impact the shop press. So I've got it set up so that it should clear it. So I'm just going to start, make sure that's tight, and start pressing it into place. Okay. Good. Good, good. Yeah, good. Everything's spinning. Fantastic. Okay, bearings are in place, lay gear's in place, idler gear's in place for the reverse, so our gear train is together and it's working. So that's a good thing. Now, next thing to do is put the top half of the gear set together. All the selector plates and the like.